10 tips for surviving in a dorm kitchen. 1. Maximize the capabilities of your coffee machine. You may use your coffee machine to prepare rice, boiled eggs, porridge, ramen, and other foods that require boiling water, in addition to coffee. All you'll need is a carafe to contain your vegetables, rice, eggs, or ramen, and some water. You may also heat up salmon, steak, or other meats using the bottom plate and aluminum foil. 2. Grease/replace butter or oil with mayonnaise. Don't worry if you don't have any butter or oil. For both sweet and savory recipes, mayonnaise may simply substitute butter or oil. Mayonnaise contains enough oil, most likely soybean, rapeseed, or safflower oil, to lubricate frying pans. 3. If you're carrying hot sandwiches with you on the road, don't close the container top too soon. If you don't want your bread to go soggy, don't put the lid on top of the container. As the food cools down in the container, steam builds up on the lid and turns into water vapor, making the food softer. 4. Use the ramen-flavored packet to season eggs, spaghetti, and other meals. Adding different seasonings to your eggs, pasta, rice, and other dishes might be beneficial at times. Thankfully, most college students have access to ramen flavor packets, which are flavorful, inexpensive, and readily available. 5. Use a straw to remove strawberry cores or excess air from the bag. By removing excess air from press-seal bags and strawberry cores, straws can save time in the kitchen. Simply fill a press-seal bag with extra air and insert a straw with one side sticking out into the bag. Then, with the straw, suck in the air until the bag is flat. Also, start at the green center of a strawberry and stick the straw through the strawberry. The core will pop out of the apple as you spin the straw. 6. Fruit peels can be used to brew tea. With some hot water and some peels, you can brew a delicious tea. Simply place the fruit peels in a pot with some water and bring to a boil for 2 minutes. 7. To make the drain smell better, keep orange peels in the drain. The peels of citrus fruits have a strong, long-lasting odor that may neutralize any undesirable odors in only 2 steps. To begin, throw any citrus fruit peels into the garbage disposal. Finally, turn on your waste disposal, and your sink should emit a fresher odor. 8. Use the ends of your spoons to create intriguing food designs/patterns. To make creative designs, all you need are basic utensils like forks and toothpicks. Fork lines, toothpick swirls, and spoon scoops are just a few suggestions. 9. If you don't have a vegetable peeler, you can substitute a spoon. Simply grab a vegetable, or even ginger, and peel away the skin with the side edges of the spoon. However, instead of softer foods, this approach works best with robust root vegetables, potatoes and carrots, tomatoes, squash, etc. 10. Replace crackers with ramen noodles. Remove the ramen noodles from the package and cook them on the stovetop. After the ramen noodles have finished cooking, set them on a platter and add any seasonings or sauces you choose.